Hello and welcome to our video comparing two of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems on the market, TP-Link Deco M5 and Netgear Orbi. If you're looking for a new router, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. When it comes to coverage, both TP-Link Deco M5 and Netgear Orbi are great options. Deco M5 covers up to 3,800 square feet, while Orbi covers up to 6,000 square feet. However, Orbi allows you to extend the coverage up to 1,750 square feet with each additional satellite. So if you have a large home or property, Orbi might be the better choice. When it comes to speed, Orbi is the winner. With the AX 3000 gigabit speed and Wi-Fi 6 technology, it ensures uninterrupted streaming, HD video gaming, and web conferencing. While Deco M5 has good speed, it can't compete with Orbi's speed. Both Deco M5 and Orbi are easy to set up and manage through the app. However, with Deco M5, you can adjust your router settings through Amazon Alexa. So if you're someone who prefers voice commands, Deco M5 might be the better choice. When it comes to security, both systems provide good protection. Deco M5 comes with a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, featuring next-level antivirus, robust parental controls, and COS. On the other hand, Orbi uses Netgear Armor to protect your connected devices with an automatic shield of security, so the choice could depend on what kind of security you are looking for. When it comes to price, there's a significant difference between the two. TP-Link Deco M5 costs around $99, while Netgear Orbi costs around $299. So if budget is your primary concern, Deco M5 would be the better option. That's our comparison of TP-Link Deco M5 and Netgear Orbi. Both are excellent choices, depending on your needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you decide which one to buy. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.